kasi nakapokus siya dito sa ano, mga daanan, mga
Birthday recipe.
Celebrates the victory of light over darkness.
Happy Diwali! I made homemade samosas for you. Samosas are a pastry filled with ingredients like vegetables and cottage cheese. These are aloo samosas filled with potatoes, peas, and spices.
Tasty. Have you ever tried a samosa?
Have you ever tried a samosa?
Ready to go outside and see all the Diwali decorations?
It's made out of vegetables or other
Are my
kinds of
Dia lights.
Dias welcome light, hope, kindness, and positive energy into our lives.
They're here to guide us and remind us to help those in need. This is my
kakain ka pa, may
I made a
ano pa
rangoli
doon, may kanin pa.
powder.
Meron pang
This is
kanin
my
doon sa bahay.
rangoli made of flowers. We wanted to wait until you were here so we can finish it together.
Will you help us place pink flower petals inside our flower rangoli?
Joy.
Buti nga ito pagkagawa ng ano ito, tinuloy-tuloy nila eh.
G.
Yung kalsada na yun ba na ginagawa,
Our rangoli looks so
tinuloy-tuloy.
It's now time
Kaso bagal pa rin kasi
to Diwali. The fireworks.
dapat spalto na kasi yung ginagamit.
starting.
Come on, Starfish.
Ganda nga aspalto, ano mo to?
Look at that one.
Ganda yung ano.
That kind of looks like me.
That one definitely looks like me.
Ito, ang ganda. Wala lang, oras lang yan eh.
Have a happy, healthy, and joyful Diwali.
Till next time. Bye.
Shut the family.
Hindi sa dito sa, ako ba? Yung inaano nila kasi, yung
Thinking that I'm gonna give to her as a
tawag nito,
birthday
yung
present.
science behind it. Pero kung isipin mo kasi dito sa Pilipinas, hindi siya applicable kasi nga laging inuulan. Hindi matagal talaga siyang masira in general.
Colors can be mixed
Pero
together.
wala nga ring epekto kasi nga wala, useless lang din yung pagiging matagal masira. Kasi masisira at masisira siya dahil sa ulan.
Both of those colors. First, we color the bow red.
Tapos tingnan nyo mo to, spalto naman to, bakit hindi siya nasira?
Mix in white to
Mas madaling masira yan. Alam mo bakit sa ganyan semento? Kasi nakaka-corrupt sila dyan eh.
now.
Sa spalto kasi, yun lang eh. Kukunti lang yung ingredients eh. Spalto lang talaga. Ang susukatin lang dun, ilang truck,
So sparkly.
ilang buhos yung ano, yun lang. Tapos. Kasi may isang presyo na yun eh, yung spalto. Pag binili nila yan, isang kapresyo na yan eh. Isang, ilang truck, parang buhangin ba?
This calls for
So wala silang masyadong
both sing.
profit doon.
Birthday to her.
Unlike pag semento, may bakal, may
Happy birthday
bakal, may semento, may buhangin,
to you. Happy
kung ano-ano
birthday.
pa.
Happy birthday
So,
to you.
mataga eh. Bawat bawat material.
Thank you both. I love it. And now for a magic trick. Ta-da! Happy birthday, Mickey.
Kumumisyon na nga sila dun sa mga kontratista.
Thanks, Minnie. I have a birthday surprise.
Tatagain pa ng kontratista sa materials.
Must be